Sound editing.
Editors create and prepare all sound elements for.
You got Answer up there, and y'all gotta give.
Too different from what a musician
If Baby
does,
Driver don't win,
which
it's gonna be a problem.
something I know you are, and you're just as brilliant as being a singer as an actor.
What?
The only difference is that these guys get nominated for Oscars for it. Here are the nominees for achievement in sound editing. Baby Driver, Julian Slater.
I'm telling you, Julian Slater is gonna win that drink. If not, it's gonna be Dunkirk.
2049.
Dang, but I want
And Theo Green.
Blade Runner 2049 to win.
Richard King and Alex Gibson.
Can't remember which one I voted for. I think it's gonna be either Dunkirk or Baby Driver though.
Water, Nathan Robitaille and Nelson Ferrari.
For sound editing, it should be Baby Driver though.
Star Wars: The Last Jedi.
Oh,
Matthew
snap.
Wood and Ren Kleiss.
That fight though. Come on, Baby Driver.
And the Oscar goes to
Come on, Baby Driver.
Dunkirk. Richard
Ooh. I'll admit, man, one of the biggest things about Dunkirk is the immersion of sound. The sound is everything in the atmospherics. And the way that they interweave like the different scenes is perfect. So I get it. Congrats, Dunkirk. Congrats, Chris. Richard King, Alex Gibson winners.